To understand real numbers, all you need is to clear the concept of the number line. 0 is at the middle point, positive numbers on the right of the number line, and negative numbers on the left of the number line. Any number that can be plotted on a number line is called a real number. Here are some examples. Let's say -3. -3 can be plotted on the number line on this point, so this is a real number. What about 1.5? Even though it's not an integer, it can be plotted on the number line at that point. The next is under root 3. If we calculate the value of root 3, it will be approximately this. Look at the digits after decimal point. These digits do not end. These kinds of numbers are called non-terminating decimal numbers. Means they do not stop after decimal point. It sounds weird, but these numbers can also be plotted on the number line. So root of any positive number is also a real number. The next is pi. It approximately equals to this. Pi is also a non-terminating decimal number and can be plotted on the number line and is a real number. Decimal numbers are grouped into 3 categories according to their characteristics and behavior. Some are terminating decimals, numbers like 1.249. The number stops at a certain point and does not go to an infinity. That's why it's called terminating, means it stops by itself. The others are non-terminating recurring decimals, means these numbers do not stop and reoccurs repeatedly. Non-terminating means do not stop and recurring means repeatedly, like this. The pair 293, 293, 293 appears repeatedly and goes to an infinity. The other example is 0.111 up to so on. Then we have non-terminating, non-recurring decimal numbers. Their name already shows what they are. These decimal numbers don't stop and also have no specific pattern of recurring, like under root 3. Now these two categories of numbers are called rational numbers. This non-terminating, non-recurring category is called irrational numbers. And these two categories, rational and irrational numbers, together form real numbers. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I will answer in the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.